Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I really want to create a natural glow look, and the reason why I want to create this natural glow look is so that I could wear it when I go to Thanksgiving, because I do want my eyes to be natural, but at the same time I want it to be glowy. In today's video, I hope that I achieve that, and again, you will be watching me of how I create this natural glow. So I'm not gonna talk too much, I'm just gonna go straight to the video. But before we start the video, I want to tell you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel down here. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and concealed my lid. So now we're ready to go ahead and do our eyeshadow. As you guys know, I've been using this palette ever since I think I started my YouTube channel. This is the Natural Glow from Morphe, and we're gonna be using this baby today. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here. This is the shade Cafe, and I am using the brush JS6. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically make a 180-degree circle, if that makes sense. So it will start from my inner corner going all the way to my outer corner. I left this space so I could really add my shimmer color, so that way it glows. It's natural, but it still glows. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color right here. This is the shade Choco. So we're gonna grab Choco. I am using the JS8 brush, and I'm just gonna diffuse the edge like this. If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab Cafe again, and I'm just trying to bring in the color. I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving. Just like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and basically cut out my crease from the center, and I am grabbing my brush JS10. I'm gonna go ahead and basically cut the crease. So now that our crease is cut, I'm gonna go ahead and add a shimmer color, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this baby right here. This is the shade Glow Girl, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid, and I am using the brush JS11. Now I'm gonna go with Cafe again, and I'm just gonna diffuse the edges. Okay guys, so this is how this eye came out, and I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this part of the eye. Then I'm going to apply my lashes and do the rest of my face as well, and then I'm gonna be right back with you guys so we could continue with the under eye. Okay guys, so our lashes are done, and I also went ahead and did the rest of my face. I put my foundation, my concealer. It's exactly the same steps that I do on my other video, but I will soon make a video focusing on how you apply your foundation, your concealer, applying your setting powder, and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for that video because it's coming out very soon. But now we're gonna go ahead and basically focus underneath the eye. So let's just go ahead and finish this eye. So with my brush JS13, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Cafe and basically apply it right here. And now with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Choco. Now I'm gonna grab my black eyeliner and I'm basically going to apply it on my waterline. And now I'm gonna grab my voluminous mascara from L'Oreal and I'm going to apply it down my lashes. And we're going to apply a highlight in our inner corner so that way we make our eyes look so good and so popping. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna grab this shade right here. This is the shade Extra and we're going to apply it right here. Do you guys see the difference? Like this one, it's very complete, and this one, so I really love adding highlights in my inner corner because it makes a huge difference. And now I'm just going to grab my highlighter and basically apply it right here. And last thing we're gonna do is set this whole entire face, and that is basically the final step. And let's go ahead and spray this baby right now. Okay guys, so this is how I created this natural glow look. I just really love how everything came out. Like when I said that I want a natural glowy look for Thanksgiving, and I was imagining it in my head, and I am so happy that I was able to create that look, and I hope that you guys could recreate it so you guys could also rock it. And also these lashes are from Lily Lashes, the style Miami. I haven't used Mykonos, I hope I'm saying that right, but I will be definitely wearing that very soon. And so far I am loving these lashes so much. They're so fluffy and so cute. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.